Alright, just gonna show everybody how to animate an object quickly. It's fairly easy. We're just gonna make this one spin as an example, but you can do much more complex animations with the animation tool. So just click your object within the scene. Sometimes you'll want to drop this down and just click the object itself within the scene. But if you do this with certain objects, you're actually selecting a different part, so you might want to be careful with that. Go ahead and create an animation and just name it whatever. I usually do it in numerical order. That's why I end up with terrible organization, but that's beyond the point. Go ahead and hit record if you want to do it like I do. I usually do it like this, especially for something that's spinning. You just hit record and go ahead and go over here and edit that. Just put a 1 in the y-axis and then delete it. And that'll create a keyframe, and it'll also create a property for the rotation of the object. And then go ahead in here, and this is going to be your timeline time. So now I'm at 60 seconds. And I want it to spin in a circle every 60 seconds. I want it to spin in 360 degrees. So I'm going to type in 360 because I want it to spin that far. Now when you scrub back and forth, you can see it's already spinning. But if you hit play, you're going to notice this weird pause every time it loops. If you want to get rid of that, go ahead and just click and drag, select these, right click and hit auto, and it should smooth it out pretty well. So now it's a fairly smooth spin that it's got going on there. And that's pretty much it. When you create that animation and name it, it's already gonna create this animator. With Altspace, sometimes it doesn't like to loop the animation, so if you want to ensure that it does that, go ahead and click this animator window. If you can't find this animator window or it doesn't show up for some reason, it's under here. Same with the animation window. Go ahead and copy this by right clicking and copy and paste, and then just go ahead and make a transition from this one to this one. Right click, make transition back to that one, and then any state, make transition to that, and then you're pretty much going back and forth at that point. So it's just going to loop the animation over and over again. So if I start it, or if I were to upload it into Altspace, there's our spinning barrel. It still has a little bit of a swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to fix that, let me know, and we'll get more into depth on it. But it's pretty fair for most of the stuff that we're doing in Altspace. So let me know if that helped. Thank you.